Did you see that video yet of you online where you
Yeah,
failed to identify yourself?
Well, I didn't fail. I wasn't contacting you, just as I'm not now. So I'm Officer Maher, obviously, badge 167. It's all good. I'm not a coward. You know, I've done quite a bit of stuff in my life. So
no one said you were. Who said you were a coward?
Well, on the videos, you know.
Okay guys, we got the DNR here. Got 3 DNR vehicles. Got Officer Maurer over there and a couple other. Okay, so they're splitting, man. The camera shows up and they're splitting. I need to get. What are they messing with you for, man?
Oh, just speeding.
Just speeding? Oh, you got pulled over by the DNR for speeding?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're here with this gentleman, got pulled over by the DNR. They're towing trailers, jet skis, and they're pulling the guy over for speeding. I'm gonna go see if I can talk to Officer Maurer here.
Alright.
How we doing? How we doing, Officer Maurer?
Not bad, not bad. How you doing?
Oh, pretty good.
Justin?
Just was checking you guys out.
Oh yeah, Justin it is?
Oh, I never gave my name, did I?
Is that your name, Justin?
Never gave my name.
Okay. What's going on?
Not too much, just to see you guys had this vehicle surrounded, just wondering what was going on.
Just doing our job.
Just doing your job?
Yes, sir.
So you guys do traffic enforcement when you're pulling trailers, pulling jet skis?
Enforce all state laws.
Oh, good, man, good.
All state laws.
I don't think I've ever seen the DNR pull anyone over.
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
Well, I know you can, but you're not normally.
Our policy says that we cannot be in a pursuit with a trailer or whatever. A pursuit, not a regular stop. If he doesn't run, we can pull him over by law and by our policy.
Right, I understand that you have more authority than regular police officers do.
That's just a myth they send out there. But anyway, so you got anything good, man? What's going on?
Oh, just keep an eye on you guys, making sure everybody's rights are.
We're good. We're right.
Rights are being violated. And I just thought it was kind of interesting. I don't normally see DNR officers doing traffic enforcement.
No, well, that's not our primary area of focus, but we can do it. We do it sometime here and there. So definitely well within our jurisdiction.
Well, yeah, I'm aware of that. You guys in your jurisdiction, that's for sure.
So, you been down to the gun range down in Sharonville lately?
No, can't answer those kind of questions.
Okay, I'm just having a conversation with you. You ask me questions.
Why would you ask me that?
What's that?
Why would you ask me that?
I'm wondering if you've been down there.
Why would you ask me that?
I gotta get
Why
going,
would you
man.
ask me that?
Just wondering if you've been down there, man.
Hey, did you see that video yet of you online where you failed to identify yourself?
Well, I wasn't contacting you, just as I'm not now. So I'm Officer Maher, obviously, badge 167. It's all good. I'm not a coward. You know, I've done quite a bit of stuff in my life.
No one said you were. Who said you were a coward?
Well, on the videos, you know. So. Anyway,
that was never said on the video. Nobody said that. I never said that.
All right, Justin, I appreciate it, man.
Never
You need anything of me?
I'm just here recording you, making sure you're not violating anyone's rights.
All right. Well,
making sure nobody gets killed today over a traffic stop.
All right, Justin, have a good day, man. Have a good one.
Okay, Mar. Have a good day, Mar.
Yeah, you too.
Don't violate anyone's rights today, Mar.
I was coming down Page Ave, and they actually, I seen them all the way, they turned off of one of the roads off Page Ave all the way by the church. And so I got in between them. Well, I followed them all the way to right here, you know, out 25 miles an hour with them, you know. Well, all of a sudden, we hit this 40, and I'm still following the same cop the whole way, you know, and all of a sudden here they...
Same DNR officer?
Yeah, same two, the one with trailer and everything. And so they follow me, and then all of a sudden I get flicked right here. So I turn and I'm like, what the hell's going on, you know?
What was the reason why they pulled you over?
Speeding.
Speeding?
When I was following the same...
You were following them, going the same speed as them?
Yeah, going the same exact speed.
Well, they think they're above the law.